Okay, dear students, so in this code we will show you how you can uh, change the login page code password section to hide the written password with star, which means you have to make your password invisible and should change it into the hashes, into the stars. And you have also uh, add the login button into this page. So we will show you how you can do this in this code. First of all, take a look of the entire code. We will move down a bit slowly. So here you can see that this would be the interface of your login page. First you would be asked the username, and then you would be asked for the password, and at the end we would end. So here this would be the title of your page: login form Faisal TV. So here this is all the stuff for the username and text entry box. So here we have entered the login button into the row number 4. So you can see this is the line used to enter the login button into this form. So first you take a look into this code. We would move a bit slowly down so you can see what we have written in this code. Okay, so now let me run this code for you. What would be the output? As I have already told you what would be the output, so just take a live look of that. So see, as I have already told you that this would be the title of our login page. This we have entered the login button in the one line in the end of our code. So here if I write any username, let's suppose Faisal TV, and now if I write the password, it would be written in the form of the hashes, in the hidden form, invisible form, anything I type. So here you can see that our password is not visible now. It is in the form of stars, in the form of hashes. So this is how you can perform this task.